How to unlike all videos on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to unlike all videos on YouTube. So for that case, go ahead and open up your YouTube application. And when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. So here, you just go ahead and press the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner. And then next thing you have to do is press the profile icon from the top right. Then you need to go to the gear. So here you could go to manage all history. Look here right at the bottom. And this is going to take you to this sort of field where you have to go ahead and press on data. Or you could just go to the history icon as well. And on this page, what you have to do is you'll be able to see all of these lists. So while you're on this page, go to interaction from the top right, and you can see there's the option as videos, likes and dislike. Go ahead and press that. You can see that you've liked this sort of videos. So in order to unlike this, you could just go ahead and press the button just like this, or tap on the cross icon, and by following the steps you should have successfully unliked all the videos on YouTube. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.